Welcome to the CatapultEMS Anonymous Reporting feature. Anonymous reporting is one of the features available in the emergency management system offered by CatapultEMS. In this video, we will show you what it looks like to submit a report as well as receive, review, comment, respond, and resolve an anonymous report in the CatapultEMS system. Let's get started. Anonymous reporting allows for your organization to collect information about an incident. People submitting the forms, called submitters throughout this training, can include employees, residents, community members, and the public. Let's see what it looks like to submit a report from the submitter's viewpoint. Anonymous reporting phone numbers or links are viewable two potential ways. The first would be by placing the information on your organization's website. The second is a variety of materials offered that allows submitters to report via the phone number, text number, and QR code for easy scanning. When a submitter selects one of the options above, it opens up a customized set of options available specifically for your organization. A submitter picks from the options available to tailor the experience to their needs. Here is a list of languages offered through the CatapultEMS system. Remember, your organization's language choices may be different from the ones being shown today. For today, I am going to choose English. If a submitter chooses a different language, the CatapultEMS system automatically translates the language for review. The original language is also maintained and viewable for accuracy. Within CatapultEMS, organizations can choose from a variety of different forms, including fraud, threats, concern for self or others, generalized tip, vandalism, and more. Please speak to your site administrator to learn about the types of reports available at your site. You will see that there are details below each type of report. This lets the submitter find the correct type of report they want to use. You will see that these customizations help reduce false submissions and erroneous reports. For today, let's choose a threat to office or employee report. Now you will see the threat to office or employee report. This report is mobile responsive, meaning it is easy to add answers and submit from a mobile device, desktop, laptop, or tablet. A submitter can submit a report from anywhere they feel safe and free from retaliation. When the submitter is filling out this report, they have options and additional drop-downs if more information is needed. All of the information in the first half of the report is required. Information in the second half of the report, under optional information, is optional and does not have to be included in order to fill out the report. Optional information includes the submitter identifying their role and including their name, phone number, and/or their email address. They can also include a picture or screenshot of the incident for more information. Upon clicking Next, the submitter will be prompted one more time, reminding them that submitting information that is false is a crime. Again, this is to reduce false or erroneous submissions. At this point, if the submitter has identified themselves and included an email or phone number, the information is submitted to the response team at your organization's site. If the submitter has chosen to remain anonymous, they will go to this secondary page if applicable. This is our two-way anonymous communication option. If a submitter wants to remain anonymous but still have the ability to communicate, they are able to share their phone number or email information, which will be obfuscated by the CatapultEMS software. Your response team will be able to respond and communicate back and forth, but will have no capability to see or access the submitter's contact information. Two-way communication is available for submitters that have chosen to share their contact information as well. Once submitted, the submitter will see this final screen letting them know that their information has been submitted. Once the report is submitted, your response team will be notified by text and/or email. You can change your alerting preferences through your CatapultEMS account. Here's what an email looks like. You will have access to see the full report details through your email. The text will give you a link to view the same information quickly from any device. To log in, please go to CatapultEMS.com and log in with your email and password. If you happen to use Microsoft or Google as your email server, feel free to click on one of the buttons above. Once you are in the system, you will either see the full CatapultEMS dashboard, which looks like this, or the anonymous reporting dashboard, which looks like this. Regardless of your dashboard type, the green bar here will show any reports that have been submitted. If you click on this bar, you will see the reports. Once you click on the drop-down next to the report, you will see all the information coming from the submitter. You can click on the picture and download if needed. As you scroll down, you will see the reporting party information and also any two-way communication. You'll also have the ability to record notes. It is helpful to record notes when you are working with a report that has multiple steps, needs updates from other team members, or has more than one team member that needs to be involved. Let's add a quick note. Notes will also be saved and archived in the report once it has been closed out. Two-way communication is available for both submitters that have shared their contact information visibility in the system and for those who have chosen to share their information anonymously. In some cases, submitters also share their information but do not wish to share their information at all. In those cases, anonymous communication would not be available. To reply to the submitter, click Reply to Reporting Party. This generates a pop-up and you can type your message. The submitter will then get a text and/or email alerting them to a new message against the report that they submitted. Messages can be viewed and responded to by the submitter from any device with access to an internet connection. This conversation is available for your other team members to view as well. Your name will show up as Site Safety Team on the submitter's two-way communication chat. For documentation purposes, your name will record on the report as your name. This chat will be saved and archived with the report once it has been resolved. Inside the report, you can also update the incident. However, this only allows you to change the report type and location if found to be different from the original submission. Lastly, you can resolve the incident by clicking the green Resolve Incident button at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a secondary page where you are required to describe what steps were taken to resolve the incident. This information will not be sent to the submitter and will be saved and archived with the closed report. A pop-up will be generated asking if you are sure you want to resolve this incident. Once resolved, two-way anonymous communication and the report will be closed and you will not be able to reopen within CatapultEMS if further action is needed after resolving. Now we are back on the CatapultEMS dashboard. Here, you can generate reports and search incidents in the Report History tab. There are many options you can choose from here to allow you to generate the best reports needed in the moment. If you scroll to the bottom, you can also see each incident separately in case you need to access more information. If you have any further questions or need additional support, our support team is here to help answer any questions you may have. If you need to reach support, please feel free to send an email to support@catapultems.com or give us a call at the number you see here on your screen. Thank you!